friends, today I'm gonna be making plum syrup, in Japanese, ume syrup. Ume syrup is made from unripe green plum and sugar. It has a sweet and tangy flavor with a unique tartness in it, and it is so refreshing. My son used to drink ume syrup with water after the baseball training to recover from fatigue. And myself, I drink a glass of ume syrup in the summer because the Japanese summer is so hot and humid. A glass of ume syrup blown away the uncomfortable feeling. Let's get started. You will need unripe green Japanese plum, but other stone fruits like cherries can be used. Wash the ume plums thoroughly and remove any stems by using the skewer. Pat dry with a clean cloth or paper towel and place them on a tray and freeze. By freezing, the water in the fruit cells expand and forms ice crystals. And the plum can be released the extract quickly after thawing. Place the plum in a clean glass jar or container and layer them with rock sugar, or you can use granulated sugar as well. Give it a gentle shake to distribute the sugar evenly and then close the lid tightly. I couldn't put all of the ume in the jar on the day, so let it sit overnight so that you can add more ume and sugar. Store in a jar in a cool, dark place. Give it a gentle shake every day so that the sugar will draw out the juices from the plums, creating a sweet and tangy syrup. After steeping for a week, strain the mixture through the fine mesh sieve to remove the plum. And you will have a smooth and golden and thick syrup. Transfer the strained syrup into a sterilized glass bottle or jars. Seal the containers tightly and store them in a refrigerator. You can keep it for a year in a refrigerator. And your ume syrup is ready to use. I love to drink it with fizzy water, but you can do it with just water, just plain water, or hot water if you want. And it can be used as a sweetener in the beverages like tea or cocktails, or drizzle over the ice cream, or you can add to savory dishes for a touch of the tangy flavor instead of sugar. It contains a citric acid to help recover from fatigue, as I said, and it also contains anti-inflammatory properties that will keep your skin healthy and glowy and regulate the digestion. It's a traditional Japanese home medicine, just like cordials in Europe. But remember, the homemade ume syrup is quite concentrated, so adjust the amount to use according to your taste and preference. Enjoy your homemade ume syrup in the hot summer. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my videos. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!